Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're taking a look at what we believe is the best business number 10,500 count envelope available on the market. The Amazon Basics Security-Tinted Self-Seal Business Letter Envelopes. Right out of the box, you're getting a clean, efficient, and professional-looking envelope designed specifically for business needs. Whether you're sending checks, invoices, or other sensitive documents, this pack of 500 envelopes has your back. It's not just about quantity here, it's the thought put into every detail that makes this product stand out. Let's talk about the build. These envelopes are made of 24-pound white woven paper, giving them a firm, durable feel in your hands. The surface is smooth, making it ideal for direct printing, which is especially convenient in office settings. No more smudging, no more awkward paper jams, just smooth, consistent results when you run them through your printer. But it's not just about how it looks or feels. Security is a key feature, and that's where the interior security tint comes into play. That blue crosshatch pattern inside isn't just for decoration. It prevents prying eyes from reading through the envelope, ensuring confidentiality for your business documents. This is crucial for mailing checks, contracts, and other confidential paperwork. Another user-friendly design feature is the peel and seal adhesive closure. No water, no sponge, no licking. Just peel off the strip and press. It seals quickly and securely. It's neat, fast, and perfect for high-volume mailing tasks. If you're running a business or handling administrative duties, you'll appreciate the time this saves. Size-wise, these are your standard number 10 business envelopes, which means they fit standard 8.5 by 11-inch documents folded into thirds, ideal for most correspondence. The product dimensions are approximately 12.2 inches by 9.9 inches by 4.13 inches for the whole box. So you're not just getting performance, you're getting compact storage too. This is especially true if you're buying for a small business, school, or any organization that sends out frequent mail. These envelopes are sold and shipped directly by Amazon.com, which adds an extra layer of reliability. You're not dealing with third-party sellers, it's direct from the source. Plus, the product comes with Amazon's 30-day refund or replacement policy, so you've got peace of mind if anything goes wrong with the shipment. To wrap this up, the Amazon Basics 10 Security-Tinted Self-Seal Business Letter Envelopes combine durability, security, convenience, and value. Whether you're managing an office, working remotely, or just looking to streamline your personal mail organization, this product checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this review helpful. And let us know in the comments what office supplies you want us to cover next. See you in the next one.